At the beginning, I apply Swiss Beauty Youth Freeze Toner on my clear face. Now I use Dr. Russell Upton Serum for hydration and glow. I take 3 to 4 drops and gently massage it on my face. It's time to use LAFZ Retinol Cream for a beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. I massage it on my face and neck. If it's daytime, then I will use sunscreen. I use Mion Double Wear All Day Glow BB Cream. Shade Neutral 02. Then I apply it with my fingers. Then blend it properly. I also apply it on my neck and blend it. I'm applying Maybelline Concealer shade 20 Sand. Apply it on under eye, eyelid, bridge of nose, chin area. Simply blend with my fingers. I skip contouring as it is a simple look. Concealer helps me to hide dark under eye, uneven skin tone. It's time to set the face with Melio Prime and Fine Whitening Face Powder. It has a matte and a shimmery face powder on it. I use the matte one. I use the shade 02 Natural. Now I define my eyebrows with Mion Brow Me Up Eyebrow Definer Pencil in the shade Dark Brown 03. I fill my eyebrows. It comes with 3 different shades: black, light brown and dark brown. The dark brown is my favorite one. It's very easy to use and also comes in a smudge proof formula, and it's highly pigmented. I love this one. This is SFR's Neon Beauty Pressed Pigment Palette. I use the light brown shade to define my crease line. Today I create a simple eye look. I blend the light brown shade properly over my crease line area and I use a darker shade of brown on my outer V. Now I apply this golden shimmery shade on inner corner. I press the shade with my finger and blend with a brush. Now I am applying Melio Eye Definer Auto Kajal on lower lash line and smudge it with a darker brown shade. Now I highlight my brow bone and eye duct. Doing the same with my another eye. It's time to use Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I draw my lip line with Glam 21 lip liner and use Swiss Beauty Cream and Tint shade Fruity Fig on lips. I also use it as a blush. It has a creamy texture and a nice fragrance. I also use it as blush. I complete my look with these Eddie earrings. If you like this video, please like, share and comment.